one of our best sellers in London. Located within 4.2 kilometers of Victoria Park in London, Canary Wharf Rooms has accommodations with free Wi-Fi. There's a shared bathroom with bath in all units, along with free toiletries and a hairdryer. Olympic Stadium is 4.3 kilometers from the family stay, while O2 Arena is 5 kilometers away. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 5.6 kilometers from the property. Tower Hamlets is a great choice for travelers interested in city trips, monuments and sightseeing. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.